Hey student, welcome back. We are finishing up Unit 2 in this video. We're going to cover the last few derivatives that you need to know in order to close out this unit. We'll do a few problems based on them as well. Okay, so those last derivatives that we need to work on are e to the x, ln x, a to the x, or just some number to the x, and log base a of x. So some different base log aside from natural log of x. Okay, what are these? E to the x, the derivative, is just e to the x. We'll see this a lot. We'll use this a lot, and I guess it's the easiest derivative because it doesn't change at all, but students often forget this one. So the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. So the next derivative for us to learn is the derivative of ln of x. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. And I kind of tell students to remember this by thinking of the power rule. With the power rule, we can move from x to the fifth or x to any number, and we can move down. We can move x to the fifth would be 5x to the fourth, x to the fourth would be 4x to the third, all the way down until we get to x. The derivative of that is 1. The derivative of that is 0. The derivative of 0 isn't x to the negative 1. We can't produce x to the negative 1 using the power rule. So ln x sort of occupies that place as the function that gives us the derivative of x to the negative 1, because 1 over x is x to the negative 1. Okay, now we might not have e to the x or natural log of x. We might have a to the x, which is just some number, 2, 3, whatever. And that derivative would be ln of a times a to the x. I won't show you right now where that comes from, but it's interesting where it comes from. And then we have log base a of x. And this is 1 over x ln of a. And let's look at why. So if we're taking the derivative of log base a of x, we can rewrite log base a of x using a change of base property as ln of x over ln of a. Ln of a is just a constant, so we could take that out, 1 over ln of a times the derivative of ln of x. And we just learned that the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. Okay, so this leaves us with 1 over ln of a, ln of a, times the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. And that's how we get 1 over x ln of a. Okay, let's do some problems with these derivatives. So f of x is e to the x ln x, product rule problem. So we could say u is e to the x, v is ln of x, u prime is e to the x, v prime 1 over x. So product rule states that this derivative f prime of x would be uv prime or u prime v e to the x ln x plus e to the x over x. And finally, 2 to the x secant x. Same thing, product rule, u equals 2 to the x, v equals secant x, u prime, v prime, 2 secants, 1 tangent, secant x, tangent x, u prime is ln 2 to the x. Okay, now our full derivative, our g prime, is ln 2 times 2 to the x times secant x plus 2 to the x secant x tangent x. Okay, we're closing out Unit 2. We know everything we need to know in order to pass our Unit 2 exam. If you have any problems at all, leave a comment, ask me any question you want. I am a tutor, we can meet sometime, or I can answer your question in an upcoming video. Keep studying, and I'll see you in the next video.